In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Wix email marketing. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Wix website. Open your browser and head over to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, if you aren't already logged into your account, make sure you do so. This will give you access to all the features we're going to use today. Now that you're on your Wix dashboard, the next step is to locate the marketing section. You'll find this option in the menu, so go ahead and click on it. This is where all the magic of email marketing happens within Wix. Clicking on marketing will give you a list of various promotional tools. Our focus today is email marketing, so click on the email marketing option. This will redirect you to a new page dedicated entirely to creating, customizing, and managing your email campaigns. Once you're on the email marketing page, you'll be greeted with a range of email templates. These templates are pre-designed, offering a wide assortment of layouts and styles that are suited for different purposes, like newsletters, special announcements, or event invitations, among others. If one of these templates catches your eye, feel free to select it. However, if you're feeling creative, you also have the option to start from scratch for more tailored designs. With your template choice or custom start made, the next step is to click on Edit Template. This button leads you to the email editor. Here you can modify text, images, and other elements to match your brand identity or the message you want to deliver. It's important to ensure the content is clear and engaging while maintaining visual appeal. As you work through the design, it's a good idea to click on Themes, where you can explore different aesthetics and color schemes that align with your brand. Afterward, check the Background section. This will allow you to adjust your email's backdrop, which can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your content. Incorporating AI emails is another feature worth exploring. This innovative tool helps generate content ideas or refine existing ones, adding a professional touch with the help of artificial intelligence. Once you're content with the design and content, click on Next. Now you'll need to decide who will receive this email. Wix provides options to select specific contacts, groups, or even all your subscribers. Make your selection based on the campaign's goals and who would most benefit from the information. Having finalized your recipient list, click on Next once more. This step essentially reviews all settings before you're ready to launch the email campaign. Finally, you're ready to click on Publish. This button will send out your email to the selected audience. Remember to review everything one last time to ensure your email is flawless. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an email using Wix email marketing.